Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to achieve a clean, natural, low ramp fade on a semi-afro hair, step by step. If you are looking to improve your fading technique, or you are a beginner barber who wants to learn the right process, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Before we begin, I want to point out something very important. At OJFC Barbershop, we don't use hair enhancements or artificial fibers to create the illusion of a clean haircut. Everything you see in this tutorial is achieved through proper technique, precision, and attention to detail. Our goal is simple: clean, natural results without shortcuts. Based on my client's request, this won't be a skin fade. Instead, the first guideline will be a very low cut, which gives the haircut a softer and more natural finish. Using my clipper with no guard attached and the clipper lever fully open, I will create my first guideline just above the ear. I will maintain the same height and shape as I walk evenly around the head. Consistency here is very important because this first guideline forms the foundation of the entire fade. Next, attach the number 1 guard and keep the clipper lever fully open. Create your second guideline slightly above the first one. As you walk around the head, avoid pushing too deeply into the afro. The goal is to leave enough hair for a smooth and controlled blend later in the process. Now, attach the number 2 guard with the clipper lever fully closed. Begin removing the bulk around the second guideline. Using the same guard, level the remaining hair evenly to achieve the semi-afro requested by the client. Removing the bulk at this stage makes the blending much easier in the next steps. Reattach your number 1 guard and fully open the clipper lever. Begin blending the second guideline into the afro using smooth, controlled, flicking motions. Notice how I am positioning my clipper. Instead of forcing the clipper through the hair, I am moving it almost as if I am gently combing the afro. This technique creates a softer blend and helps the fade transition naturally into the longer hair. Keep your hand relaxed and maintain the same movement around the entire head. With the number 1 guard still attached, close the clipper lever fully. Go back over the blend to refine the transition between the afro and the fade. Pay close attention to your hand movement. Small, controlled adjustments produce much cleaner results than aggressive cutting. Remember, barbering is about patience, not speed. Now, remove the guard and fully open the clipper lever for detailing. This is where the haircut truly comes to life. Use the corners of your clipper to remove any remaining dark spots or visible lines. Adjust the angle of your clipper depending on the area you are working on and maintain consistent lever control throughout. Good detailing is what transforms an average fade into a professional fade. Now it is time to carve the hair. You can use a trimmer or close your clipper lever completely if you don't have a trimmer. Start by defining the front hairline, making sure you don't push it too far back. Then use the corner of your blade to shape the C cup. As I always say, lining up a haircut is like drawing. Your hand must remain steady, controlled and consistent. A clean lineup adds balance and professionalism to the finished haircut. Next, clean the neckline by removing all unwanted hair around the back of the neck. A neat neckline completes the haircut and gives it a polished appearance from every angle. Never overlook this finishing touch. And here we have it. A clean, natural, low-run fade on semi-afro hair, achieved entirely through technique, precision, and proper clipper control. No enhancements, no artificial fibers, just professional barbering. I hope you learned something valuable from today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, share it with another barber, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step barber tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.